ഹായ് ഡിയർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇൻകം ടാക്സിൻ്റെ ആദ്യ പാർട്ടിലെ 10 മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറോട് കൂടിയാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. First question, income tax is option A direct tax, option B indirect tax, option C state tax, and option D none of this. Answer is direct tax. The second one, income tax was introduced for the first time in India by A. Sir James Nixon, B. Sir Thomas Wilson, C. Sir James Wilson, and D. Sir James Williams. Answer is option C, Sir James Wilson. Third one, the first income tax act was passed in India in A. 1860, B. 1857, C. 1886, and D. 1961. Answer is option C, 1886. Fourth one, the proposed legislation for direct taxes in India is A. Indian Direct Tax Act, B. Direct Taxes Code, C. GST, and D. Income and Wealth Taxes Code. Correct answer is option B, Direct Taxes Code. Fifth one, income tax rates are fixed by A. Union Budget, B. Annual Finance Act, C. Income Tax Act 1961, and D. none of this. Answer is option B, Annual Finance Act. Sixth one, current assessment year is A. Assessment year 2019-20, B. Assessment year 2020-21, and C. Assessment year 2021-22. The correct answer is option B, Assessment year 2020-21. Seventh one, minimum exemption limit applicable to assessment year 2020-21 for senior citizens is A. Rupees 2,50,000, B. Rupees 3 lakh, C. Rupees 2 lakh, and D. Rupees 5 lakh. Correct answer is option B, Rupees 3 lakh. Eighth one, rate of surcharge on income tax for assessment year 2020-21 if total income exceeds rupees 5 crore. A. 10%, B. 15%, C. 25%, and D. 37%. Option D is correct, 37%. Ninth one, the aggregate of income under the 5 heads is known as A. Gross taxable income, total income, gross total income, and D. all of this. Option C, gross total income. 10th and last one, an AOP consists of, AOP stands for Association of Persons, A. Individuals, B. Companies, C. Firms, and D. all of this. Option D is the correct answer, all of this. Thank you for watching.